Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Sarah. In today's episode, we're going to talk about the seasons, cold and hot weather, and natural disasters. All the vocabulary you need to describe the power and beauty of nature in English. These words are very common in daily conversations, news reports, and exams like TOEFL and IELTS. Let's begin with the seasons. There are four seasons, which are the different periods of the year marked by changes in weather. Spring is the season when nature comes back to life. During spring, the weather becomes mild, meaning it is neither too cold nor too hot. Summer is usually the hottest season when the temperature is very high. We say it is boiling hot, which means extremely hot. People often experience a heat wave, a period of unusually hot weather that lasts for several days. Autumn, also called fall, is the season when leaves change color and fall from trees. The weather becomes cooler, meaning slightly cold, but still comfortable. Winter is the coldest season of the year. In winter, temperatures may drop below freezing, which means lower than 0 degrees Celsius. Cold weather can cause frost, a thin layer of ice that forms on surfaces during the night. In very cold conditions, we may experience snowfall. Snowfall refers to snow coming down from the sky. Heavy snowfall can lead to blizzards, which are severe snowstorms with strong winds and very low visibility. Now let's talk about weather conditions. When it rains heavily for a long time, it can cause a flood. A flood happens when water covers areas that are usually dry. Floods often occur after heavy rainfalls, meaning a large amount of rain in a short time. In hot and dry climates, droughts may occur. A drought is a long period with little or no rain, which leads to water shortages and dry land. Some natural events are more extreme and dangerous. An earthquake is the sudden shaking of the ground caused by movements under the Earth's surface. A volcanic eruption happens when a volcano releases lava, ash, and gases. In coastal areas, people may face hurricanes or typhoons. These are powerful storms with strong winds and heavy rain. They are called hurricanes in the Atlantic Ocean and typhoons in the Pacific Ocean, but they are essentially the same type of storm. Another dangerous natural disaster is a tornado. A tornado is a violent, rotating column of air that can destroy buildings and trees in seconds. Because of climate change, extreme weather events are becoming more frequent. Frequent means happening more often than before. That's why weather forecasts, which are predictions about future weather, are so important. And that brings us to the end of today's episode. Understanding how to talk about seasons, weather, and natural disasters helps you follow the news, describe your experiences, and express concerns for the world around you. Thank you for listening to English with Sarah. Stay safe, stay curious, and see you in the next episode.